Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to set up and customize the custom code section in your store. The custom code section allows you to insert HTML directly into your website, giving you full flexibility to enhance functionality and design. It's a powerful way to customize your store experience and align everything with your brand identity. Accessing the section. To access the custom code section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Then navigate to Templates and locate the Custom Code section. To enable or disable this section, go to Theme Settings, then open Professional Widgets. Once enabled, return to Templates and select the Custom Code section. To add it, click Add Section, search for Custom Code, and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the Custom Code section will be displayed: desktop, mobile, and both. Use container size to control how wide the custom code section appears on the page. Default keeps standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full expands the content to full width, removing left and right spacing for a bold, wide visual effect. Match the custom code section to your store's branding with color schemes including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can add multiple blocks, including Advanced Double Button, Caption, Description, Double Button, Icon, Icon with Text, Image, Single Button, Subtitle, and Title. Each block comes with its own customization options. You can add a block inside the Custom Code section, then select the Custom Code block to begin. The custom code is used for internal identification. Do not modify it as it may cause display issues. Inside the custom code block, you can enter your HTML to display custom content, design elements, or advanced functionality directly on your page. Desktop 1 to 12 columns define how much horizontal space the block occupies on large screens. Tablet 1 to 12 columns adjust the block width for medium-sized screens such as tablets, helping maintain a balanced and readable layout across different device sizes. Mobile 1 to 12 columns controls the block width on smaller screens, ensuring content remains optimized for usability and does not appear cramped. For desktop, allows you to set how your text is aligned on larger screens, with options like left, center, right, or justify, so you can match your design style or improve readability. For mobile, you can define separate alignment settings to ensure text displays cleanly and remains visually comfortable on smaller devices without affecting the desktop layout. Match the custom code block to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the block appearance. And that's it. Your custom code section is now fully set up and ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.